Coming to nouns now. We want to talk about nouns. So what are nouns? Nouns, they are naming words. The words we use to name things and people, places also. My name is Tapiwa. You get it? Tapiwa is a noun because it is a name of a person. I went to Chinoi Caves. Chinoi Caves is a noun because it's the name of a place. I come from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a noun because it's the name of a country. I am an African. African is a noun because it's used to identify where I come from. So nouns, mawords atinoshandisa kana tichidoma zvinhu kana vanhu. Our names, the names of places. So here we are talking about names of people, names of objects, names of people, names of places, sorry. So this is where we use nouns. They are words we give to things that we can see, touch, imagine, and feel. Things we interact with in our everyday lives. For example, a chair, that's a noun. Books, a bag, love, hat. So everything around us, so long it has a name, it's a noun. Like I'm writing on the board using a pen. I have a microphone I'm using to record my voice. I'm using a laptop. I'm using an electronic board. I can see my bed, my wardrobe, my chair, my table. I can see my board, my lamp, my business cards, my school ID, etc. So everything around us, you can actually name tens and tens of nouns which are around you. Saka noun tinongotaura zvinhu zvine mazita. So names of people, for example here, Tafara, Tapiwa. These are names of people. Names of objects, example, chair, table. Names of places, example, Africa, Zimbabwe, or Africa, Gweru, for example, like that. Nouns can be either singular or plural. So when we say nouns are singular, so nouns, when we say singular, we are only talking about one thing. Plural, we are talking about many things. Saka nachiti singular, tiri kutaura pamusoro pechinhu chimwe chete. Tapiwa, just one person, one chair, a chair. Africa, one continent. But when we say plural, we are now talking about many things, like school children, there are many. We can talk about chairs and tables which are arranged in a classroom, there are many. We can talk about Africa, Australia, America, Asia. These are now continents, there are many. So that's also very important. Nouns can either be singular or plural. Singular nouns refer to one thing, and plural nouns talk about two or more things. So one thing for singular, remember, and for plural nouns, we are talking about two or more things, like that. Exercise 1.2, complete the table below. Singular noun, plural noun. So for singular noun, we have a garage. Plural noun, garages. Saka singular chinhu one, garage. Then plural, zvawanda, garages. Holiday for singular, holidays. Knife for singular, when there are many, they are called knives, like this. Boat for singular, plural, boats. Loaf for singular, plural, loaves. Party for singular, plural, parties. trousers for singular, it comes back as trousers. So we are going to see that other words, their singular and plural form is going to be the same. So you should take note when the plural form or the plural noun has a different spelling to the singular, like knife, knives, like loaf, loaves. You have to be careful there. Party, parties, then trousers, trousers, like that. So those are the nouns which we were supposed to learn.